Hi, welcome to Perkins Motors. We're showcasing our 2022 Jeep Wrangler. My name is Shawn Miller. I'm the service manager here. Today we want to do just a quick series of how-to videos. You know how to fill up your washer fluid, check your oil, and check some of the other vital fluids of your vehicle. Hey, welcome back to Perkins. My name is Shawn Miller. I'm the service manager here. We're going to continue our series of how-to videos. So today we're going to talk about your coolant, your engine coolant. Typically they were always mounted by the radiator, and they were always for some reason next to the window washer fluid. Folks would mistakenly fill one for another, so I just wanted to point out there are different caps on there for different reasons. You can fill them up there. Typically these reservoirs were mounted by the radiator, but we've been finding that folks have been mistaking the window wash fluid in there and contaminates the fluid. So the manufacturers decided to move it back a little bit. It could be here, some vehicles it's on the passenger side. But one thing you're always going to notice is going to be the label on top of the bottle, first of all. Second of all, it's going to be a bigger bottle than your master cylinder and your window wash fluid. And it's also going to be translucent. You'll see the color. So now we're going to talk about the engine coolant color. Color is very, very important. You see here in the nipple here where it's a pinkish color, that's the coolant that this vehicle uses. Now typically the older cars still use green coolant, some use a purple coolant, some use a yellow coolant, some use a red coolant. So coolant color is very, very important, especially if you're going to O'Reilly's or AutoZone to get your vehicle coolant. Want to consult with the person behind the counter to make sure you're getting the right thing here. Mixing colors can cause contamination and then force you to do a flush a little bit early. Here at Perkins, we still recommend we flush your vehicle every 5 years or 100,000 miles, whatever comes first, to give you the optimum performance and optimum temperature rating. In the spring, we always check your coolant temperature level, make sure you're good for the summer. Same thing with the fall. We're going to check your coolant temperature level, make sure that when it falls in those teens or 0 degree temperatures, you're okay. My name is Shawn Miller, and I'll be here to greet you.